Yep. New acquisition. Hey guys, Diamond Christian 21 here. Today we got a brand new acquisition. This is before restoration or anything. This is it. This is at my grandmother's garage actually, because I didn't want to bring it home yet. I'll probably bring it home in June sometime. But yeah, here it is. It's a GE Thinline, General Electric. Okay, let's open the controls. This thing doesn't really go on properly. There's the inside. You got temperature. There's where your thing was, but the switch is broken. I think the guy brought it down the stairs apparently, and it broke. And you can see there's your switch selection and your energy saver. And you can see you have your adjustable louvers and your adjustable. Okay, let's take off the cover. Spiny fin coils. And let's take a look at the data tag. There you go. Pause if you want to read it. Yeah, there's the knob right there. I left it in there. Let me see if I can put it on. Just to leave it in there. Yeah, kind of. Good enough. Okay, but anyway. I might need to straighten the fins on this. This is going to be a very tedious process though. But we'll start it up in the case, and then we'll slide it out. Actually, first of all, I'm gonna slide it out and show you guys the outside of it. So let's get ahead and do that. You guys may have seen these on the outside before. You guys see in there a spiny fin in there too. And you kind of see the GE branded rotary compressor in there. Anyway, let's put the front cover back on and we'll start it up. Okay, guys, one plug in later. Let's start it up. First of all, we'll start on the fan mode. Okay, let's start it on low fan. Air is coming out. It's a pretty quiet fan. It's not that loud. We're on medium fan. And high. Yes, as loud as it's gonna get. There's still some crap inside it, but yeah. So anyway, okay, let's off. I'm gonna take off the cover so I can read the data plate again. And also, what I figured out with this unit is, if you turn it all the way down, that's constant run. No matter how cold it is, if you set it on 1, it can go constantly. And then you go up. There's your click on. Yeah, but anyway, let's read the specs off the unit. The 5800 BTUs, 6.0 watts, 18 ounces of R22, I think. I'm not sure. Here's your wiring diagram. It's in this little package thing right here. But anyway, let's get the cover on and start her up on low cool. Okay, so we have it cover back on. We're gonna put on energy saver. Okay, now it's on low cool. I'm gonna turn up the thermostat and we should have it kick on. Let's go. And we're going. Heck yeah. Nice cold air. Okay, it's on low cool. Let's switch it up to medium and high. We're back on low. And let's put it in between. Oh yeah, your sounds good. She's going good. Here's the fan. It's a squirrel cage. It's in there and it blows that way. Comes right out here. Oh, nice air. gonna start blowing hot out the back too. Okay, yeah, it's running good. I don't have a temp gun with me, so I can't see how cold the coils are getting right now, so yeah. So I guess we'll just give you a nice good look at the compressor. Yep, that's good. This thing will have a full restoration done on it. Oh, that's cold. Yeah, that run. That's cold. But anyway, I'm gonna shut it off for now, and we're gonna slide it out of the case. So I'm show you guys the everything inside. So put back on, Steven. Okay, shut it. Yeah, that's it. Okay, let's slide it out of the case. Okay, let's slide it out. Okay, yeah. Oh, it's kind of rolling backwards from the inside, but yeah. Hold on, I'll see. There's the handle. Okay, now you can really see the inside. It's starting to come out. And you can kind of see the fan in there. And you can get a good look at that rotary too, if you're on the other side. So yeah, this is gonna be a hard part. Okay. And what's good is all metal construction too. It's really good. Yeah. I don't know how the heck. I might not even pull it. So yeah, I'll show you guys now what it looks like. Okay, she's slid out. Here's your good old GE branded rotary, and it was condensating when I had it running. I don't know what kind of fan motor this has, so I'm gonna have to clean this off. I'm guessing a GE. Here's your big old capacitor, or your tubing. Aluminum evaporators and an aluminum condenser. Yeah, I'm gonna have to pull this out all the way so you can get a better look at the outside and stuff. So, okay, so let's slid it out. Okay, she's out of the case right now. Here's the inside. It's kind of a little rusty. I know. We'll scrape it all up. It's a nice rainy day out. Luckily, my grandmother's garage is nice and good. And yes, this is my grandmother's house that has the all the window units. So technically speaking, this unit can fit in the sleeve of the GE that's upstairs. Same size, same everything. But I'm gonna try to slide out this case so I can show you guys the outside a little better. So let's do that. Okay, here's the outside. You can see the inside of it. Get your nice coil thing. And if you see in there, it's very dirty in there. And actually, I think that's one of the clips right there. On the clips for the whatever that is for the fan. So I'm gonna save this. This unit's kind of falling apart, but we'll fix it up and we'll get it looking good. So anyway, I'm gonna put that back over there and we'll start it up. Cool. Okay. So oh yeah, it's on power saver. Okay, let's start up on low fan. Oh, even the power saver works on fan. Okay, low fan. Okay, medium, high, down to low. Okay. Dust that off a little bit. Now we'll start with the compressor too. See the spin down time? Oh yeah, that's a good spin down right there. That is perfect. Let's see what kind of material this blade is. Okay, let's wait for that to spin down all the way. Okay, whatever. That's a metal blade. Actually, no, it's plastic. Whatever. Plastic's plastic. It's still good. It's lightweight. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna demonstrate the constant cool. Here we go. Okay, I'm putting it right next to this. This is the GE rotary. Let's start it up. Low pull. Oh yeah. She runs good. Suction on. Oh, that's freezing up a little bit. That goes away actually after a few minutes of running. But yeah, watch. Go away. Here's the outside of the Thinline that I'm watching out. Often, then you see there's vents up here too. You can see, look at that. That's nice, getting warm. And this coil is actually pretty mint. Unlike this coil. This coil is a little banged up, but yeah, we can fix it. Just give it a few minutes and we'll see it go away. As soon as I shut off my camera, it already thawed out. I think you might even saw it in the last clip. But look at that, already. Serious worker. Very quiet too. This is ideal for a bedroom. These GE rotaries are hard workers. That's going nice and icy cold. Yeah, it's a little spiky, but yeah. Let's go medium and high. And let's turn it down. Let's go in between so we can get it. That's condensating. Condensation. We're like a beast, so I think we're gonna put it back into its case and we'll end off the video. Yeah, let me share the data tag again for anyone who wanted it. Sounds good. I love the sound of this thing. Okay. Let's put it in between and I'll shut it off. Motor truck, please pass. There we go. Kind of jerks when it shuts off, but yeah, good. Good unit. I love it. So yeah, let's slip it into the case. I'll probably record this because it's gonna be kind of. I think you guys would like to see me suffer putting this thing back in, but whatever. I'll video it because why not? Okay, time to see me suffer putting an air conditioner back into its case. Okay. Let's slide it over. Line it up good. Let's move it up a little bit more. This thing is solid, let me tell you that. Okay, now my only thing is, how the heck am I gonna push it in? Because this is kind of raised, so I'm gonna have to bring it up. Yeah. Okay, time to lift the front of it. Oh, okay. Okay, come on. Come on. Yes. Yes, sir. Guys, come on in. Whoa, that case inside the slide. Whew. Let's get this side started. I'm not pressing down on the coils, by the way. I'm pressing down on the frame. Whew. Okay, come on. Oh, what's that? Okay. Got the front kind of going in. Oh, we got the back. Dang, this thing's heavy. Whew. Oh yeah, come on in. Oh yeah, that's it. Woo! Woo! Okay, that's in. Got that in. Yeah, start it back up. Well, yeah. Okay, turn it back on. We're going. Woohoo! I did let this sit 3 minutes before I lifted it back in. She's quiet. Back on this side, it's very quiet. Yeah, literally, I was like, oh, how do I get it in? As soon as I got that thing, I was like, woo! Pushed it right in. Nice and freezy coldy. Oh man, I love this thing. This is like, put it on high, see how much airflow we get. Oh yeah, good airflow. Well, it's not the best airflow. I've seen better, but you know what? For what it is, it does very good. Because don't forget, the coils might be blocked on the other side too. We're gonna let this run for a good 10 minutes and we'll be back. Okay, it's been running for a good amount of time. It's blowing ice cold air. Not really the most amount of space I can give it, but luckily I'm shutting it off right now. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Also, before I end this video, just look at this. Look at these. These are still intact. And they're very dusty, but they work. This thing might be installed. Who knows? We'll see. Oh, and by the way, this is just for dust to keep it from getting dust, because there's all kinds of dusty stuff up there. So it's staying there until I get it back home.